Once upon a time, in a picturesque town nestled among rolling hills, there lived two souls, Lily and Ethan, who were destined to find each other. Their paths, though, were far from straightforward. Lily, an artist with an affinity for painting sunsets, had just moved to the town seeking inspiration for her work. She found solace in the quiet streets and the serene landscapes. Little did she know that her true inspiration was yet to arrive. Ethan, a passionate environmentalist, was a regular at the local café. He was often seen engrossed in his books, lost in thoughts about how to protect the environment. The café was a cozy place, with an inviting ambiance where he could brainstorm his ideas. One fateful day, Lily decided to visit the café for some coffee and sketching. As she entered, she noticed Ethan sitting in the corner with his notebook, scribbling furiously. Their eyes met for a brief moment, and something magical sparked between them. However, the universe had other plans, and they went about their day, unaware of the connection they had just forged. Weeks passed, and Lily kept returning to the café, each time hoping to catch a glimpse of the enigmatic environmentalist. On one occasion, as she was engrossed in her painting, she suddenly felt a tap on her shoulder. She turned around to find Ethan standing there, his eyes filled with curiosity about her artwork. Their conversations flowed effortlessly from that moment on. Ethan admired Lily's talent and passion for art, while she was drawn to his dedication to preserving the beauty of nature. They began to spend more time together, exploring the scenic landscapes, hiking in the nearby mountains, and sharing their dreams and aspirations. As the seasons changed, so did their feelings for each other. What began as a friendship blossomed into a deep and profound love. They realized that they were not just soulmates, but also partners in a mission to protect the environment they cherished. One crisp autumn evening, under a sky painted with hues of orange and pink, Ethan took Lily to a secluded spot overlooking a serene lake. With trembling hands, he revealed a ring and asked her the most important question of their journey together. Tears of joy welled up in Lily's eyes as she said, "Yes." Their love story, born out of chance encounters and shared passions, was a testament to the belief that destiny has a way of bringing soulmates together,